Well, don't they have potty
They
bags for
just now
females in
finished the Ventura
airplanes?
Freeway.
You know, when you're talking.
Plane we had in, had, was it a, wasn't the 150, was it? Anyway, it was a small plane, we went to Florida on.
The
Grumman.
That runs in
The
the
Grumman,
14,
and
14 up to Fair
It was
Blossom.
low
to
wing,
38,
the
and then
seat,
15,
you had
and then you're
to
home.
put the seat up, step in, and then put the seat down and sit down, so. We were in Florida and we've been
Yeah, a lot of
traveling
one
around
point six is
visiting
straight line.
Yeah, exactly.
friends and that.
Love this
For
building,
some
this
reason,
spot.
I
There you
drank
go.
coffee before we left.
One day
We
just.
were flying from one city to the next, so
Ohio.
I told Don, I
Through
said, I
here.
can't wait, I can't
Oh,
stand
it's
it,
that
you know, you're
little
cheaper.
excursion there,
Yeah.
and it's about 2 hours.
So what I did,
It's all
I
winding
went
through the
and
hills.
emptied everything out of a plastic bag, and I said, what I'll do is I'll just use this plastic bag, so I hooked this seat up so that it wouldn't get on there, and kind of squatted and, took care of the rest.
154? That's
There
right.
was a hole in the bag. Oh my God! All over.
Construction is
So
near,
he twisted, I got another bag of.
You know he's taping this.
And I twisted it up,
Thought you were being real cool, right?
and
Yeah.
we landed,
Yeah,
and my
246.
aunt was there to pick us up, and her two stepchildren that I'd never met,
That's
which were
pretty
grown
cool.
daughters, were there too, and I didn't know they were gonna be there. And I jumped out of the plane, and I'm carrying this dripping bag, and I'm running to the restroom, and my aunt says, well, hi, and I said, I'll be right back. And I started running and dashing, and those women probably thought, she's got the strangest niece I ever saw, emptying this bag. And then I had to go get all these paper towels out and clean up this mess. It was a mess, oh.
Oh, there's the cat.
This is better than the slip counter.